Hello, we're about to do some cracking. This is some cacao we just finished roasting. It just cooled off, and now we're going to load it into our cracker. This is pretty much a nut cracker. You've got two different rollers rolling together like this, double stacked. One of them's got grooves on one side so that it's always grabbing the seed and feeding it through. It's a really simple design. Our seeds then have no choice but to fracture into many little pieces and slide out. So this is very simple. I'm going to show you how it works right now and then discuss what we're about to do with it. All I'm going to do is push this button and it starts the rollers spinning. We can take a look right here and you're going to watch them turn. So these two are rolling together and the bottom ones are going even faster. And the reason for that is so it never accumulates too much at this one point. So it has to go faster through the lower ones so that you never get a buildup. But what we're going to do is dismount this hopper, this whole assembly with the hopper as well as the cracker, and we're going to fix it over our next machine, which is a vibrating conveyor, where it's going to separate the nibs and shells by size and remove all the dust. Because this is an extremely dusty process, and we're constantly having to clean up from this. The dust is one of the main nuisances in our entire factory because it's always clogging our air conditioning systems, and I probably breathe a ridiculous amount of cocoa dust. So we're going to try and continue to make this a less dusty process, and it gets easier as we get bigger. And so the next machine that this is going to sit on is going to separate everything so that we can get a better winnow, which is the following step after cracking.